What's going on, you guys? Hello, Dr. Inferno here. Today I have an unboxing from thecubicle.us. So, what is in here? I'm gonna give you a bit of backstory on this. What is in here is a Teal Guoguan Yuexiao. Now, the reason I got one of these is because, so we all know about the Michael Humu, April Fool's prank, right? And about the Jiawei pineapple cube that came out. Well, I assumed Michael was a prank, but I thought the cube was real, and I was really looking forward to how cool it looked, and I loved what it looked like and everything. So, when I found out it wasn't real, I still wanted a teal cube, so I went and bought a teal Yuexiao to make up for the lack of that awesome looking pineapple. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and we'll see how good this cube is. Let's just get in here. Alright, so here's the cube. And that's it in the packaging. Have a receipt, business card, and my custom stickers, which here I will get out in a second. I ordered some alternate shades, pink and dark purple. Alright, so let's get into the cube, shall we? Alright, little manual here. Very nice. Wow. Let's get into the packaging here. I do not like this packaging. A little bit difficult to get into at times. Okay, well, I could just pop the cube out, but there we go. Alright, so here is my teal colored Yuexiao. Pretty good. Turns very nicely. Nice. Very nice. Let's do, see if we can double flick. Double turn right there. Corner cutting, 45. Corner cuts over 45. Ease. Reverse. Let's see reverse. I think about half a piece is its limit. So yeah, performance-wise, it's amazing. And I just love the color of this plastic. It looks really, really nice. So yeah, that was the unboxing of my Teal Yuexiao. Thanks for watching.